Vega Altair. The Vega Altair, available in 4 sizes, is the premier machine for folding and gluing solid and corrugated board and boasting the most varied of commercial applications. Custom creations with perfect squaring and precision with the electronic driving system to fold 4 and 6 corner boxes. Run digital printing with no scratching. And for superior quality inspection, add the optional ejector. 4 machine sizes for folding and gluing solid and corrugated board. The most varied of commercial applications. Custom creations, perfect squaring, precision. Vega Altair.